Hi, my name is Hill. I'm from Turkey Middle School. I'm from class 7A, and today I will introduce to you my project with my buddy sir.
Hi, my name is Sun and I'm also from Turkey Middle School. I'm in class 6A and today I want to share our projects with you. And the project name is How the Climate Change Impacts the Crocodile Lizard.
We study this animal because they are fascinating. The lizard is interesting and valuable in the ecosystem, but no one seems to care about them because they are small and don't have any value. Scientists say that this animal is on the red list. That's why we want everybody to know about this animal.
In 2002, when this lizard was first discovered in Vietnam, there were about 2,000 individuals in nature, but 15 years later, in 2017, the numbers have reduced dramatically, and there are 150 individuals left. We are worried that this lizard could be disappeared from Vietnam forever. Crocodile lizard is an animal that has a very great value in the biodiversity, but people don't pay attention to this species as it's so small and has low economic value. We want everyone to know that they are small but still play an important role in biological control because in nature size don't matter. Therefore, we have to save them before it is too late.
We talked with scientists and they said that there are several reasons that causes the decline in crocodile lizards in Vietnam. First is increase of the temperature and humidity that causes diseases from them. Second is that Vietnamese people do not pay attention to lizards as they think they are not important and do not have any value. Third, there is increasing demand for buying crocodile lizards for pet in other countries, so it became international trade.
So our team decided to conduct a research to find out solutions to save this animal for our country. Our research focuses on two key questions: how climate change impacts the crocodile lizard. Is it possible to save this animal? To find the answer for the above-mentioned questions, we looked for all information related to crocodile lizard in Vietnam and on climate change in Vietnam during the last 10 years, which is about changes in air temperature and atmosphere humidity. We gathered information on the characteristic, distribution, and habitat of crocodile lizards in Vietnam through previous researches and studies.
We also interview scientists from Mailing Biodiversity Research Station to learn more on what they have studied and found. We visited Mailing Biodiversity Research Station where they keep and raise crocodile lizards and work with scientists there to monitor the influence of temperature and weather on this lizard during April and June 2017. We will continue to compute the data that we collected on monitoring the development of crocodile lizards at the research station until July 2017.
We are very excited about this project and think it is relevant with the theme this year, Scale of Nature from Micro to Macro. We would like to emphasize that the size of the species does not determine its value in the ecosystem. We live in a world dependent on all species to stay in balance, so people should not ignore any species in nature, especially those that have tiny size. The crocodile lizard, because it is a very small species, but for the ecosystem any small or large species is valuable. and help to balance the ecosystem. Losing a species, small or large, will seriously affect the ecosystem.
Although crocodile lizards are small, they still play an important role in the food chain because they eat insects that are harmful to crops, such as grasshoppers.
We are still conduct our project until July. If we can move into the final, we will have concrete conclusions on how climate change affects the species and whether or not we can save them in the future. So far so good, everything is working out just like what we expected. We are working super hard to finalize the project and present our results in Chongqing in July.
That's all about our project, and we'll see you at GNHD 2017 in Shenzhen.
See you.